Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get portable mixed fuel in one's human. Now, fuel is important for various things like this bike, and there are two methods to get it. You can either create it at your own base or find it. So, let's first talk about where you can find it. So, if you open up your map and go to this island, which is near the Broken Delta, this island is pretty good for finding portable mixed fuel and some other things. You can look for old cars and vehicles scattered along the roadside, check their trunks to find portable mixed fuel. Now, for the second method, to create it at your own base, you first need to unlock the water pump. So we can go to Mematics by pressing O and then Logistics. And if we scroll down here, you will see the water pump. And here, as you can see, it will cost 5 ciphers and 700 energy links. And another thing you need to unlock is the fuel refinery, which you can see under the infrastructure. And here, as you can see under empowerment, you will find fuel refinery. And here, as you can see, it will unlock the refining facility and it will cost around 3 ciphers and 200 energy links. And you will also need to find crude oil deposit on the map and gather at least 10 units. Then we will go to build menu and under facilities production processing, you can find the water pump and the refining facility. Once you have built both of these, you can basically deposit the 10 units of crude oil that you collected into the refinery. It will process the oil and produce 5 portable mixed fuel after a short wait. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.